हेलो दोस्तों। तो आज हम बताने वाले हैं हाउ टू ओपन एक्सेल शॉर्टकट की। राइट क्लिक ऑन द एक्सेल शॉर्टकट की एंड क्लिक द प्रॉपर्टी showing and then shortcut key none and then going to excel. So this is excel. So then click the right click and going to properties, then shortcut keys are none, then press control alt c, then press control alt c and then apply. You will need to provide administrator permission to change in the then setting, then complete. Okay. Now testing and working. For the keys are not working, that please, and that press the control alt and c shortcut keys. Now then excel sheet is open. Now working. For this command shortcut keys,